The Belgrade Community Library Adult Crafternoon Take-Home Kit for the month of December is a Christmas Music Ball Ornament. This project and program was made possible by the Pagny Novotny Memorial. Supplies needed are a 3-inch foam ball, straight pins at about 1 inch in length, music note paper cut into strips or any paper of your choosing, 4 buttons, 2 ribbons, a hanging ribbon, scissors, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Your first step is to poke a straight pin through the end of a strip of paper and push it into the foam ball. Wrap the paper strip around to the opposite end of the ball and poke a pin through the end to hold it in place. Repeat this step, slightly overlapping each additional strip until the foam ball is completely covered. Choose a button to be the top of the foam ball. Loop the thin hanging ribbon through the buttonholes and tie a knot on the back side. Place a dab of hot glue on one of the ends of the ball where your pins have been inserted and attach the button. Remember to be careful when using your hot glue gun as it can burn your fingers. Hot glue the ribbons one at a time around the center of the ball. Cut off any excess if needed. You do not need to use both of the ribbons. You may choose to use one, depending on personal preference. With the remainder of the buttons, decide how you would like them arranged and glue them on the same side where the ribbons had been glued together on the center of the ball. Once the glue has dried, find the perfect place on your Christmas tree to display your new holiday ornament. Thank you for joining the Belgrade Community Library's Adult Crafternoon project for the month of December.